I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe on the go.
So Jen, we're going somewhere again. Where are we going?
Joe, we're going to St. Petersburg, Florida and Disney World.
Yay, of course. Do you get that excited about going to St. Pete?
I do.
But not as excited as Disney.
No.
Yeah, well, that's okay. I get it. I understand.
Well, because St. Petersburg is more like our home away from home, you know?
And Disney is like a vacation.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I get it. Yeah.
Probably.
Yeah. I mean, when we go to St. Pete, we do stuff in St. Pete.
We do.
But it's family, it's hanging out, we're familiar, it's our home away from home. So, yeah, I get it.
It is.
But Disney is Disney.
So before we get into the nitty-gritty of our Disney St. Pete plans, we have a Magic Band unboxing to do.
Yes, we do. Because
again, you have no idea what Magic Band I ordered you.
No. I was going to say, what Disney trip is complete without new Magic Bands? So no, I don't know what we're getting. I like to be in the dark because it's nice and cozy and comfortable there. And I can never be blamed for not doing what I should be doing because I don't know.
That's true. That's true. I would have to take the blame on that one.
All right, well.
All right, Joe. So we have our Magic Band box. Dun, 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 dun. So do you want to do the honors of opening it? Because I don't even remember what I ordered for me.
Oh, really?
I don't.
Ooh. Oh, okay. Ready? I don't know. I have no idea. Here we go. Bum. Bum, ba-da-dum, bum, 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 bum. So what are they?
Ooh, what do we get?
Oh, I was going to say, are they just solid colored ones?
No, that's too boring.
That's boring. I was going to say,
unless they're sparkly.
Well, I don't know. There we go.
Ooh, the suspense is killing me.
I know, they're just kind of packaged.
I ordered these so long ago that honestly I have no idea.
Oh, okay. Well,
okay.
Here's yours.
Oh, okay. So I believe mine is Fantasyland in the Magic Kingdom.
Okay.
So here is the top part of the band, or bottom part of the band, actually. I'm sorry, I have it upside down. And then the top part are all of the icons from Fantasyland. So you've got...
Well, now you had it upside down, actually.
Do I? Oh, I do.
Did. Yeah.
So you've got... This is so hard to see. I don't have on my glasses, but I can't see if it's in the lens.
Yeah, well, they can't
I can't
see it either.
All right, so I'll show you guys, and then I'll tell you what they are, because I can't see doing it this way. So we've got Dumbo, Prince Charming's Carousel, Peter Pan's Flight, the Teacups, and It's a Small World. And then... Oh, and this is the name. There you go. Now I can see. And then all the attractions are listed. I hope that's not upside down. I'm assuming it's not. I have such bad eyesight, I can't see anymore.
Oh.
So what did you get?
It looks like Monsters, Inc.
Oh, that's cute. I do remember ordering you that one now. I had no idea I ordered myself this one, but this one's really cute because I don't think it's available anymore on the website.
Oh, that's what this is.
It's the laugh thing.
Yeah, max scream capacity.
Is it a battery?
Oh, jeez.
Isn't it like the battery?
No friggin' clue.
Joe had to grab a pair of glasses.
Well, it did. Okay, I guess leave you in suspense a little longer. Can you read that?
No.
I can't read that.
No, but from the other side because they can probably see that part
Max
too.
scream capacity. Oh, then it's 8,400.
That's smaller than an
SUN?
ant.
Yeah, I know. Caution, unrefined scream. Okay. Well, anyway, and then on this side, you've got Mike and Sully.
That's super cute.
Yeah.
So you happy with the surprise? Do you like that one?
Yeah, it's cute.
I don't think you have a Monsters Inc. one.
No, I do not. No. Yeah, that's very cute.
And they definitely don't have this one.
Yeah, that's cute.
That's very cute.
Yeah.
All of the classic Fantasyland icons.
Mm-hmm.
It's really cute. All right.
I like it. Good choice. I still think my favorite out of all the Magic Bands, honestly, I like the Baby Yoda one, but I liked Mickey from Riviera. I really like that caricature or that drawing of Mickey with his jacket and the hat on. I don't know. I think it's very, very cool. I like that one. Yeah. Yeah, that one is my favorite. Followed, well, maybe neck and neck, tied with Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda's cute.
Yeah, definitely. So very cool. So, okay, talking about the trip.
Anyway, we are starting in St. Pete, and we will be in St. Pete for 3 nights. And then we will be in Disney for 4 nights.
Yes.
Yes. So in St. Pete, it will be a lot of family stuff. But we do have some other things planned, again, to show you more of our home away from home. I'm not going to tell you guys anything else that we're doing because I want to keep it a surprise.
Yeah, exactly, of course.
Yeah.
Suspense. I mean, you want everything ruined? No. Just wait for the videos. That's why we're doing this
stuff. But St. Pete will be a lot of fun. We've already, made out a game plan of what we'd like to do, weather permitting, of course. And then Disney, we are staying at the same hotel that we just stayed in February because we loved it. Which one?
We stayed in how many?
Oh, that's right. That was like the 3 Disney hotel trip. And if you haven't seen some of those videos, we'll link them in the description below.
All of them?
Joe will. Well, how about just the hotel? Okay, you
how
can just
about
put
the
playlist. That's a good idea.
We'll do the February Disney playlist.
That's a great idea. That would probably be more simple.
Yes.
So anyway, we are staying at the Old Key West Resort because we did 1 night there in February and absolutely fell in love with it.
Yeah.
It's just got such a chilled, laid-back vibe.
Yeah, and it's, I mean, like we said back then in February, we've been there many, many times because we go to Olivia's a lot to eat. And just really, we've always liked it, but this was the first time we stayed, and it was lovely. It was really nice, and we both said, "Gosh, I wish we would stay here longer." But we were trying different things and just trying to I guess, check them off the list. Well, how many hotels have we stayed at? What's left? Okay, let's check them off the list. So that was one.
We only have 1, 2. We have 4 more to check off our list, and we would have stayed at all of the Disney hotels.
And we're going to do one of them at one point in July.
Nope. Scratch that. That's supposed to be a surprise.
Okay, sorry. Forget you heard that. You heard nothing. Nothing.
So anyway. Old Key West, this trip was supposed to be just a hotel stay, but then I realized that Flower and Garden was still going on. So we will be spending 2 days at the Flower and Garden Festival in Epcot, which I'm really excited about.
Why not?
Because Frushi is back.
So this is, can we say the other thing? Can I say, I don't want to spoil anything. Can I say the other thing about Epcot about this year? About being able to attend every festival this year?
No.
Forget you heard anything. There was nothing.
Let me see your identification.
You don't need to see his identification.
We don't need to see his identification.
These aren't the droids you're looking for.
These aren't the droids we're looking for.
We should probably...
we should discuss what we're going to
Yes, maybe we should have discussed this before we started rolling. I mean, that's okay. Forget you heard anything.
Joe will edit the video anyway.
I'm leaving it in. Are you kidding? Of course I'll edit it. What? Yeah. What?
So anyway, it was supposed to be just a resort stay, but we added 2 days of Flower and Garden. We are eating at some of our old favorites and some new to us places.
Okay, that's good.
We will also be meeting friends, so not sure how much of those portions we will film.
Doesn't matter because we're just meeting friends. Yeah. So that's actually going to be really, really cool because originally it was just a few days, get away, blah, 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 half St. Pete, half Orlando. But we've had other things happening. But prior to those other things happening, you started, just reaching out. Hey, can you get together? Oh, we're going to be there too. Let's get together. So we're going to have, you said what, 3 nights in Orlando? Or
yes,
4 nights?
4 nights. Because it was supposed to be 3 nights, but we added a 4th night. And we're actually...
Let me finish my thought before you go to the next subject. I was going to say that out of the 4 nights that were there, 3 nights we're spending with friends. So,
that's true.
Yeah. Anyway. But it's good. I'm totally looking forward to that. Yes. Absolutely. I think it's going to be a lot of fun meeting up with everyone.
Wait, let me think.
Don't hurt yourself.
No, we only have plans 2 nights with friends.
Well, okay. Well, yeah, the rest of the other one's in the afternoon,
But anyway, we added an extra night in Disney. It was originally supposed to be 3 nights. It's 4 nights. I know this video's all over the place. Even I'm confused. But we booked the Hilton Disney Springs. Stop! At least I have hair.
Oh my God.
You were saying blonde.
I was just, you had something in your hair. What are you talking about? At least I have
Joe, I'm
hair.
a smart blonde.
Oh, man. Okay, go on. Saturday night.
So anyway, Saturday night of
Where's
this
the
trip,
whiskey?
we were originally supposed to be in St. Pete, but I talked Joe into another night in Disney. So we're staying at the Hilton Disney Springs so we can walk to Disney Springs and partake in alcoholic beverages at certain establishments.
Okay, so are we going to share why we are going on that Saturday?
Nope, you can edit that out too, Joe, because that's going to be a whole separate video.
Forget you heard anything. At least I didn't ruin it this time.
That's true.
Forget you heard anything. Or you can remember and just, again, sit in suspense until we actually explain what we're doing on that Saturday. I don't even know what we're doing that Saturday, so.
So anyway, we are so excited because we're going to get to see family. We're going to get to spend time in St. Pete doing the pool beach thing, other fun things that we love that we're going to share with you. We're going to be staying in Disney Springs one night. We're going to be staying in Old Key West for a couple of nights. We're meeting with friends. We're doing festivals. Oh my gosh, there's so much.
I'm already tired. I need a vacation after the vacation. I guess I need to write this down so I remember to do this.
Well, that flight, that's another thing. The flight had changed, and then we changed it, and yeah.
Yeah, it actually changed a couple of times. And then we changed the flight to earlier. Just because, again, I mean, well, again, Southwest historically has always been really good with their flights. You book a flight and that's it. It was solid. But the past year, obviously,
every single one of our flights has been changed.
Yeah. And then they've had to change the routes for obvious reasons because of COVID. So as things start to settle down and everything is getting back to normal, hopefully the airline can get back to normal and the flights can stay a bit more consistent. But the other thing too with Southwest is that anytime that they've changed the flight, we could make the change with no additional fees, no anything extra.
No hassle.
Yeah, definitely no hassle. The only, you would think that if you booked an earlier flight or a flight at a different time, if the flight ticket was more expensive, you think that they would charge you more for that ticket. But they don't.
They don't.
It's just you change it because they changed the flight from what you originally booked. You can change to whatever you want and you don't incur any additional fees.
So that's actually
kind of cool.
Yeah, it actually worked in our favor because it's such a good flight time that we don't have to worry about getting up early. We can take our time. We're not getting in at an awful time. We'll still have most of the day ahead of us on our first day,
Just
our
need
travel
to
day.
remember that while we're traveling, dear, eat something so you don't get hangry. Just saying.
There's not a lot of options at the airport.
There are a ton of options at the airport.
Not at Midway.
Oh, not at Midway. No, Midway stinks. But to both
Midway
Tampa,
sucks. It's like the worst airport
just
in
one of
all
them.
of the United States.
not that we've been to all of the airports in the United States, but I would imagine.
It's such a hole.
Yeah, I know. But Tampa,
It's
Orlando,
beautiful.
they're both beautiful airports.
They
and you know
are.
what they have? A lot of in both of those airports?
Flowers, palm trees, water features,
and,
shops, restaurants.
Food,
Starbucks.
Starbucks. So
Yeah, Midway doesn't even have a Starbucks.
just remember to eat. They have Dunkin' Donuts, but no, they don't have Starbucks. Starbucks is too good for Midway. Starbucks was like, the CEO of Starbucks was like, Midway? Psh, hell no. I don't want my brand associated with that hole in the ground.
No, probably not.
Yeah, anyway.
So anyway, guys, we hope you will tune in to our trip. We're really excited about it. We will be posting live updates every day, maybe multiple live updates. They seem to do pretty well. People seem to enjoy them. So yeah, look out for those.
Okay. Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Just smash it! I haven't been able to say that for a long time.
God, you're so violent.
Because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action.
Violent and bossy.
Because we could be flying to St. Pete.
Where else are we going to go?
We could be dining in Disney Springs.
Where else would we
Or
go?
we could be swimming at the Old Key West pool.
Where else would we go?
I don't know. Maybe we'll
The
go to
world
Hawaii.
consists of Illinois and Florida.
That's true.
And nothing else. Not in our world, anyway.
Bye.
Talk to you later. Hopefully maybe from someplace else soon besides Illinois and Florida.
Hey, I got my passport.
I know. That's a plus. We're getting there. baby steps. Now we just
Again.
get past COVID. And we
digress.
get to be more of Jen and Joe on the go. We're going to some place besides Florida. Yay, let's go. Bye.